Everything you will access this year, you'll be able to access by going onto Canvas. It is very important that you know how to log into Canvas on your own. So when you get to our homepage, you'll see our banner. And the first thing under it is our Zoom meeting link. If you click on this, it will take you to our live meetings. This will work for every whole group meeting we have. Every meeting will go through this button. So you can see we'll have a meeting at 9, 10:10, 11:35, and 2:30. 1:30 is specials. That is on your own. We do not do that as a whole group. And I will show you guys how to access that in just a few minutes. If you need extra information about the schedule or you forget, you can click right here on schedule in gray, and it'll bring up our class schedule. So you'll see we have whole group times. That's when we have our whole group live lessons. And we have reading independent practice. So any of our independent practice times, you guys are going to be working on your own, practicing the skills we've just learned. Everyone will be assigned a reading small group time, and they will meet at the same time and the same days. Your reading groups can change throughout the year as we need to move them around. And next I'll show you guys how to get to that. So if you go back to home, you always want to click back on home and just reroute, because sometimes it'll take you to places you don't want to be if you just hit next. So in the gray buttons, I have a button titled Reading Group. If I click on that, it'll say Reading Groups, and inside the boxes, it will have your name filled out under Students. Whatever group you are listed under is the group you'll be working with. You notice on top it says Monday and Wednesday reading groups. That means you only meet with your small group on Monday and Wednesday. Sometimes we might have extra ones on Fridays as needed, but it'll also tell you what time you should be getting on. And these can change a little bit, so please be patient. Remember, we're going to try and move stuff around to find what works best for us. So Tuesday and Thursday, it's the same thing. Okay, so when I want to go back to home, I'm just going to click home. You will also see we have buttons for web links. That's going to give you the links to things like Think Central, Nearpod, Mastery Connect, Get Epic, any website we're going to be using. I will also put a link there. You will be able to access it directly from the assignment, but if you ever have a hard time finding it, you can also go to web links. So we looked at the schedule already. Expectations. Here, if you need a reminder, if we're having a hard time in class, I might ask you to go back and review some of our meeting expectations. This will be added to throughout the year as we figure out more issues we might be having. So I'm going to go back to home. I also have announcements. There's nothing in the announcements tabs right now, but any announcements we have, if you can't remember what I said, I'll usually send out an email as well. I will post it in the announcements. We will be adding video tutorials for how to access Canvas and other websites. Extra resources, again, there's nothing in there yet, but as I find extra practice that might be beneficial to you, I can post it in there. It's not mandatory, it's just some extra practice. And then just a quick about me. Okay, it's very simple, just talks a little about me. Notice down at the bottom, it does have my email address in case you forget it. Okay, so now we're going to learn how to access our content for our other grades. So for our other classes, right now, most of you guys are not posted into this. So I'm going to leave student view until it gets fixed so everyone can see. And I'm going to show you what happens when I click on a different course. So right now I'm going to click on reading. You'll see I have assignments that come up here. The date that will be added is the due date. So over on the side where it says date, right now it's blank, I will have the due date. It will organize your assignments by the due date. On the details, it will say day 1, or it will have the date that the assignment was given. So if I give the assignment today, August 27th, it would say August 27th. on the title. Okay, it could say either way. We will also be reminding you during our live sessions what assignment we are on and what we are doing. We'll be practicing it beforehand. So remember, on the last page, I told you to click home to get back to the page. If I click home in any of the classes besides my homeroom, notice this one says 5th Reading V1, that stands for Virtual 1, Jensen. That means this is our reading course. If I click home in the reading course, it's going to take me to the exact same page. To access the other courses, I have to go back to my homeroom. I can do that a couple of ways. You can either click on Dashboard, and it will give you options of different courses, or you can just click on Courses, and it will just bring up a list on the side. We want to go back to our homeroom to access the different classes. So 5th Homeroom, Jensen, and it'll bring me back to this page. Then when I'm ready to go to math, I can do the same process. I can click on math. It will have my assignments in there. And then if I want, once again, if I just click home here, it's not going to take me back to the homeroom. I always want to go back to the homeroom to change subjects. So I can click on Courses, 5th Homeroom V1 Jensen. I'm going to scroll down again. Okay, so I will do that for all of the courses I want to access. I can also go to Specials. My Specials is linked to my homeroom. So you can see here yesterday we had Optical Illusions Drawing. So I have that assignment. I can click on it and it will show me what my assignment is. So at my learning target, what is the goal of this assignment? I have my success criteria. How will I know I achieved my goal on this assignment? What am I trying to learn? I have a live session. Our live sessions for whole group will be through the Zoom meeting. I will post the link for the video under live session after we have completed it. So if you miss a lesson for any reason, I will post the recording under live session under that assignment for that day. So sometimes we might have extra videos that are additional learning, but the link for the recorded session will be under the live session in that assignment. That way you can always go back and review. Even if you were on, if you just need a reminder, you can always find that recording in the assignment. Our learning activities, how are we going to practice? Okay, what are we going to do to practice the skills that we just learned? Check for understanding. This will often give us instructions on how to submit our work and what we have to submit. There are different types of submissions. We're going to do our best to make sure everything can just be submitted directly here to keep it a little bit simple, more simple for you guys, okay? So once again, all the buttons you should be able to need to get to are on this home page. If you go to the homeroom page, so sometimes you might have to get back to it by clicking Courses or Dashboard, and it will say Homeroom. You can click on that. It's how you're going to get to your live meetings. It's how you're going to find your extra information. And then when you need to work on your subject assignments, you will just click on those and it will take you to that page. When you are done with that subject, you are going to want to go back to the home room.